A pylon is the structural connector that carries the engine, transfers loads into the aircraft, and safely routes critical systems between engine and airframe. Pylons vary by aircraft layout, with underwing pylons most common, fuselage and overwing pylons used for specific aerodynamic or clearance needs, and strut-supported pylons helping manage heavy engines. A pylon is built from load-carrying fittings, upper and lower links, shear pins, diagonal struts, and a central torque box that together hold the engine and control how loads enter the airframe. Engine thrust, weight, drag, and gyroscopic moments flow from the engine mounts into the pylon, then through fittings and spars into the wing box or fuselage structure. Beyond carrying loads, pylons isolate vibration, allow controlled thermal expansion, and act as protected corridors for fuel, hydraulic, electrical, and bleed air systems. Pylon attachments use shear pins, clevis joints, and redundant load paths, so that if one element fails, remaining paths safely carry the engine without catastrophic separation.